So a very common question we get here at SquadLocker is, how do I use my store to fundraise for my program? And the answer is really simple. You use our fundraising tool, which, like many of the tools at SquadLocker, puts you in control of what you want to do with your program and when you want to do it. So I'm on step 3 of the store building process, and I've gone ahead and chosen some products for my store and added some logos. And you can see that the stores now have the simple base price that's offered to everybody when they build their store. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn on the fundraising tool, which is here on the top left corner. And when I enable fundraising, I can then select the percentage I want to mark up each item in the store. So I'm going to switch this store to a 10% fundraiser. And you can see that the price of the shirt went up 10%. It's that simple. So now I'm going to go ahead and create my store. So now I need to just add a few additional items to let SquadLocker know the name of the store and to whom I want the check sent to. So I'm going to go ahead in here and I'm going to name my store. And I'm going to tell them my role and the school type, size of program. Just give it some basic information. And where I want the check sent. And now I'm going to save my store. So let's go and take a look at the store that we just created with the fundraising added. As you can see, it's just like any other store, except the prices are just a little marked up, that 10%, which is a few additional dollars that will go back to the program. Now, you can also access the fundraising tool from your dashboard. So let's go to your profile, go to My Stores, and this will load all of the stores that I have in my profile. And you can see here's the store we just created. And if I edit it, you can see all the different tabs in my dashboard that I have to manage different features and functions. I'm going to go ahead and click on fundraising. Now from here, let's say I want to change who the check goes to, or maybe I made a mistake in the address. I can update that information here. I can choose to change the amount of the fundraising, or if I want, I can turn it off altogether. And once I've made those changes, I save it, and then the store is updated. So now we're back in the store, and as you can see, the fundraising's been turned off and the prices have reverted back to the original pricing. So a quick review about fundraising. Like many of the features with SquadLocker, it puts you in control. You can decide when you want to fundraise, when you want to turn it on, and when you want to turn it off, and by what percentage you want to fundraise. Checks are mailed out at the end of each month, and because our stores never close, you can fundraise for your program all year long. And if you ever have any issues with SquadLocker in terms of understanding a feature or want a little extra help, you can always click on the blue chat bubble, and you'll get live assistance from 8 a.m. till 10 p.m. 7 days a week. Thanks.